Hello friends, welcome back to Shanvi's Kitchen Delight. I'm Alka. I hope you all are doing well. So friends, after having a short break, here I am with my another easy recipe. So friends, after having so much of sweets in this festive season, it's time to have something spicy. So today I'm going to share a very delicious and spicy recipe, and that is veg manchurian. So friends, let's get started. I have taken finely chopped garlic, green chilies, ginger, and finely grated capsicum, carrot, cabbage, and onion. So I have taken all these veggies and grated them finely. Now I am going to take a bowl. In this bowl I am adding these all veggies, but before adding these veggies, make sure that the excess water should be dry out by pressing all the veggies with the help of our hands. Now I am adding finely chopped green chilies and ginger. It's time to add 2-3 spoon of corn flour. I am adding, and we need to add 2 spoon of maida. Please don't add so much of maida. Now a little bit of salt. You can adjust the quantity of salt, and some black pepper. Now mix it well and form a dough. Some ginger garlic paste also we need to add. Now mix it well, form a dough. Prepare some small balls like this from this dough or this mixture. So I have made all the balls, and then it's time to fry them in the vegetable oil. I have taken this kadhai in which I have added vegetable oil. Let the oil be hot properly, and then we need to add these balls in this hot vegetable oil. Now let them cook until it looks golden brown. So on the medium flame we need to cook them, or we need to fry them until it looks golden brown. Now our Manchurian balls are almost done. Now take them out on a tissue paper. Very carefully take them out on a tissue paper so that the excess vegetable oil can be soaked by the tissue paper. So our balls are ready, and I have taken another kadai for preparing the gravy. Add 2 spoon of vegetable oil. Now I am adding finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute it for a while. Now I am going to add finely chopped onion in this. So here I am adding finely chopped onion, approx 2 spoons. Let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will add the rest of all finely chopped veggies in the gravy. So our onion is almost done. Now I am adding finely grated carrot, capsicum, and cabbage. Mix it well and let it be cooked for a couple of minutes. So I have added cabbage also, and here I have taken a bowl in which I have taken half spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of chili sauce, 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, and half spoon of vinegar. Now I have added 2 spoon of mixture, all the sauces in this, and here I am adding 2 spoon of corn flour which I have mixed in a little bit of water, and I have added in this for gravy. So you can adjust the consistency according to you. The color is looking lighter, so I have added 2 spoon more that mixture of sauce. You can add a bit of red color if you want to. So let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. You can adjust the quantity of sauces according to your choice. So it's time to add a little bit of salt and black pepper in this gravy. Here I have added a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. You can add some green chilies also if you want to. So friends, our gravy is almost ready. Now switch off the flame, and it's time to plate our veg manchurian gravy. Now we'll add veg manchurian balls in this gravy. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you soon in my another recipe. Till then, take care and bye bye.